Hello team, welcome to WeBrand. In this video, we'll show how to prepare elements in InDesign so they import correctly into WeBrand. We'll cover grouping and splitting and why it matters for automation and permissions. When elements aren't grouped, they import as many separate objects, which makes files heavy and hard to manage. Take this illustration for example. Everything is separate. Instead, grouping turns it into one manageable unit, making designs lighter, easier for permissions, and faster to work with. To group elements, simply select them in InDesign, then group them. This way, they'll import as one rasterized image. For a more dynamic automation, keep the objects as separated SVG elements. Simply set your color placeholders to make automation possible. Best practices to keep in mind. Group elements to reduce file weight. Split them only when you need automation or permission controls. Always keep examples generic so they can be reused. That's it. You now know how to group and split elements in InDesign for WeBrand. This approach keeps files simple, reusable, and client-ready.